Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Faceit account. Alright, let's begin. First, open a preferred web browser on your PC and search for support.faceit.com. After that, you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, you will be prompted to enter some basic details like email address, contact reason, and some other things. Now, click on the first box and enter your personal email. After that, go to the box underneath it, and then scroll through the options until you see the option that says GDPR. Then, choose Personal Data Removal from the sub-menu and enter other details. In the subject box, type Delete or Remove Account, and then in the description box, you want to type, I want to delete my account. Once done, click onto the Submit button and wait for the approval of your request. Usually, you will have to wait for 30 days before your account is permanently deleted. So if you want to change your mind, you'll need to make sure to log into your account within 30 days. So that's basically how you can delete Faceit account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.